Welcome to the CommPeak Portal. In this video, we'll walk through the onboarding dashboard, the 4 verification steps that fully activate your new account. You will learn how to verify your phone number, add your billing address, accept service contracts, verify your identity, and make your first free test call. Right after you create your account, a welcome screen confirms it's ready. Click Start Onboarding to get set up. The onboarding dashboard opens with 4 steps. You must complete all of them before you can add funds and do business with CommPeak. Each step also links to a detailed guide. Click check the article whenever you need more information. Step 1 is phone verification. Verify your number. Click Verify Now, confirm the number, then click Make the call. You will receive an automated call that provides a 4-digit code. Your verification code is 3077. Enter that code and close the pop-up window. Step 2 is adding your physical address. Click Add Address, enter your details, and save. Make sure you provide accurate information as it is required for billing and compliance purposes. Step 3 is accepting contracts and service agreements. Click Review and Accept to view the terms. You must accept them to continue. The 4th and final step is identity verification. Click Add your identity and follow the instructions to upload your documents. We also have video guides covering business and personal identity. See the description for links. Once all 4 steps are completed, your sign-up is finished and you're all set. Look in your inbox for your welcome email. You can now use your trial credit for your first message or call. Thanks for watching, and good luck!